Mr. Sarthak, question number 5. How should I do this?
So because the transporting cost is 1,200, so we have to add it with 4,800. Then we have to subtract 5,820 from that.
So the total CP would be 4,800 plus the transport cost. So his actual CP would be 6,000 rupees. Mr. Satya, is it correct? Mr. Aryaman, is it correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is his total CP. Now he has spent 6,000 on it, but he is selling it at 5,820. Mr. Sarthak, is it a profit or a loss?
So it's a loss.
It's a loss. So the loss would be 6,000 minus 5,820. 0,8981. Mr. Satya, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, what would be the loss percent? How should I find the loss percent?
Yes, sir. We have to do 180 upon 5. No, sorry. 180 upon 6,000. So into 100.
Mr. Aryaman, you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, then we can solve this.
So it is 3.
यार मैं कोई गड़बड़ कर रहा हूँ क्या? हाँ मैं गड़बड़ कर रहा हूँ. This would be 3%. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Aryaman, is it correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Sarthak, question number 6.
Uh, 3,600 into 1/6 of its selling price. So 3,600 upon 6 equals 600.
Shabash. So the selling price is 3,600. Gaining 1/6. So his profit would be 1/6 of 3,600. That is equal to 600 rupees. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct? Is the profit 600 rupees?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I have found the first part. Mr. Sarthak, how should I find the second part?
So the cost price will be 3,600 minus 600.
Shabash, very nice. Selling price is cost price plus profit. Therefore, cost price is selling price minus profit. My selling price is 3,600. My profit is 600. So my cost price is rupees 3,000. Mr. Satya, what would be the gain percent?
So it would be 121.25%.
अरे भाई साहब निकालेंगे कैसे? गेन परसेंट कैसे निकालेंगे?
So profit upon cost price into 100.
Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Satya, is the answer 20%?
Yes, sir, it's correct.
Correct. Shabash. बहुत बढ़िया. Sarthak, have you done question number 7?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how should I do it?
Uh, 5,500 into 1/10. So
Yeah.
So just a second.
Mr. Satya, have you done question number 7?
No, sir, you told me to do 8 and 9.
Acha, okay.
So,
Yeah, Sarthak. Yeah.
Yeah, so the loss will be 550 rupees.
Okay.
And the cost price will be 49.50
Okay.
rupees.
So by selling a certain goods for 5,500, so the selling price is 5,500. Shopkeeper loses equal to 1/10 of its selling price. So the loss is 1/10 of this amount. So the loss would be 550 rupees. Now, the formula that we have is that cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Satya, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So what do I need? I need to find the loss incurred. The loss incurred is 550 rupees. What is the cost price? Cost price would be selling price 5,500 plus the loss. The loss is 550 rupees. Sarthak, is the answer 6050? Is it correct? Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Satya, how should I find the loss percent?
Loss upon cost price into 100.
Loss कितना है?
So loss,
अरे सामने देखिए ना कितना है? What is the loss?
so it was 5,000. I'm sorry, 550.
What is the cost price?
The cost price is 5,500.
कुछ भी बोल रहे हो यार. Mr. Aryaman, what is
No,
the cost?
sorry, sir, 6050.
कुछ भी बोल रहे हो यार. Okay, you will calculate this and you will find the loss percent. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct? Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Aryaman, is it correct?
Yeah.
Mr. Aryaman, how should we do question number 8?
So 4/5 is basically 80%. So
Okay.
if the selling price of a sofa is 4/5 times its cost price, that means let's say the selling price is 80, I think. Then the cost price will be 100. So it'll be so there'll be like he lost 20 rupees. So basically his loss was 20%.
See, Mr. Aryaman, the easiest way of doing and explaining these questions is just try to understand. Mr. Sarthak, Mr. Satya, please try to understand. I'm telling you the easiest way of doing these questions. So, for example, whenever you do these questions, the selling price of a sofa set is 4/5 of the cost price. Cost price of article is 4/5 of selling price. Shopkeeper sells 80% of their cost. Cost price of an article is 90% of the selling price. The easiest way to do this question is whatever is given, just assume it to be 100. Mr. Satya, have we understood?
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Satya, the easiest way to do this question is let the cost price be, Mr. Satya, Mr. Sarthak,
100.
100. आप assume कर लीजिए कि जो cost price है या जो भी दिया हुआ है, just assume it to be 100. So, Mr. Satya, what would be the selling price?
So it would be 80.
4/5 of 100. It would be 80. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, are we making a profit or are we making a loss? Mr. Satya,
So loss,
how much loss?
20.
Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Aryaman, is it correct?
Yeah.
So, Mr. Sarthak, what would be the loss percent? Mr. Satya,
20%.
अरे पूरा बोलिए 20 upon.
And
Shabash. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So Sarthak, these kind of questions will come in the Olympiad. So you can give Olympiad this year. These kind of questions are asked. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, how should we do question number 9?
Sir, I don't understand that.
अरे मैंने आपको अभी क्या समझाया है? 4
Okay,
5
sir, okay,
times
sir.
of its selling price. वो नहीं समझा, वो मुझे समझ आ गया. बट बोलिए कैसे
Okay,
करें?
sir. So we have to assume the cost price as 100.
शाबाश, शाबाश,
Then
बहुत बढ़िया.
the sell price would be 80.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया.
Then the loss is 20. So I guess that the answer would be same 20%. 20 upon 100.
Mr. Sarthak, have we understood?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, are we making a profit or a loss?
So profit
How much profit?
20%.
Okay. First, I'll find the profit.
25%, sir.
Shabash. Very nice. बहुत बढ़िया. Mr. Satya, what will be the profit percent?
So 1 second, I'm calculating.
अरे आप मुझे बताइए करना कैसे? कैलकुलेट मत कीजिए, मुझे बताइए क्या लिखना.
20 upon 80 into
शाबाश.
100.
बहुत बढ़िया. Mr. Hariman, very nice. Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So the answer would be 25%. Mr. Hariman, बहुत बढ़िया. Very nice. Hariman, have you understood the technique?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, what you are saying is correct, but the point is, if you need to explain it to somebody, or a teacher needs to explain it to a student, so this is a very easy way in which, 4/5 of CP or 4/5 of SP, whatever is the, whatever is mentioned as cost price or selling price, just assume it to be 100, and then you can calculate the rest. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
See, there is a complicated way of doing this. Once I've told you this, I'll tell you the complicated way also. Satya, how should I do question number 10?
Sir, I didn't do it. Okay, I'll tell you.
और भाई साहब पता है मुझे नहीं किया, बट बता तो सकते हो ना, अभी तो समझ आ गया. बोलिए.
Yes, sir. So, sir, he sells his goods at 80% of the cost price. So, I guess the cost price would, we have to assume it as 100.
शाबाश.
So, it should be, then he sells it 80%. So, like sell price would be 80. Then we have to do 80 upon 100 into 100.
शाबाश.
It should be 80%.
शाबाश. Mr. Sarthak, is it a profit or a loss? Mr. Sarthak.
So loss.
How much loss? Mr. Satya, how much loss?
So 20.
Mr. Satya, what would be the loss percent?
What, sir?
What would be the loss percent? Loss percent?
20 upon 100 into
Shabash.
100.
Shabash. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nice. Mr. Satya, question number 11.
So we have to assume the cost price as 100.
अरे cost price क्यों करोगे दादा? Cost price क्यों करोगे?
Okay, so selling price would be 100. And we have to, then the cost price is 90. So we have to do 90 upon 100 into 100, which is equal to 90 rupees.
Sarthak, is it a profit or loss?
So profit.
How much profit?
So rupees 10.
Sarthak, how will I find the profit percent?
10 upon 90 into 100.
Shabash. बहुत बढ़िया. Nice. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Great, sir. So, see, this is a simple way of doing this. There is a complicated way of doing this. I'll just tell you how to do the complicated way. Assume the cost price to be 1. The selling price is 4/5. Therefore, will there be a profit or will there be a loss? Mr. Ariman.
Loss.
Loss would be 1/5. Mr. Ariman, is it correct?
Yes.
Loss percent would be 1/5 divided by 1 into 100. Therefore, loss would be 20%. Mr. Ariman, have you understood?
Yes.
So this is a bit complicated. Usually, students will prefer taking the cost price or the selling price to be 100. This is a bit complicated because it involves fractions. So these questions, they are a bit tricky questions, but good questions to do, good questions to practice. Okay, can you guys do question number 11 to question number 15, all these questions?
Yes, sir.
Great.